At Apical Industrial Solution and Technology, we're not just automating industries, we're transforming them. Our team of experts designs tailored automation systems that streamline operations, boost productivity, and ensure safety. From intelligent robotics to AI-powered insights, our solutions integrate the latest technologies to keep your business ahead of the curve. Whether you're in manufacturing, automotive, pharmaceuticals, or logistics, we've got the expertise to meet your industry's specific needs. We're more than just technology providers. We're partners, working with you from consultation to installation and beyond. With Apical, you'll experience smarter workflows, less downtime, and greater profitability, all while reducing costs. Unlock the future of industrial automation with Apical Industrial Solution and Technology. Let's build a smarter, more efficient world together. Contact us today and start your journey towards a more efficient tomorrow.